Hi, I'm Kai with iTOUCH Wearables. In today's video, we'll show you how to charge your iTOUCH smartwatch with the included charging cable. We will be using the iTOUCH Air 3 today. For more information about this product, check the link in the description. Most of our smartwatches sold today include a magnetic connector charging cable similar to the one you see here. Let's grab the iTOUCH Air 3 now to get started. Take the USB end of the charging cable and plug it into any compatible USB port. We highly recommend connecting your charging cable to a desktop or laptop device. If using a wall charger, make sure it's UL certified and does not exceed 5 volts, 1 amp of output. That means you shouldn't use fast chargers either. With the USB end plugged into a laptop, take the magnetic connector end and attach it to the Air 3 smartwatch. Be sure to line up the pins on the charging cable to the contacts on the back of your watch. The magnets should help guide it into place. Your smartwatch typically takes 1 to 2 hours to fully charge. After your smartwatch is charged completely, the device will indicate that it's complete and it's time to remove the Air 3 from the charging cable. Congratulations, your watch is fully charged. Here are some additional tips if you're still having trouble. Make sure the charging pins are directly making contact with your smartwatch charging ports. Remember, once the device is properly connected, you'll see a charging screen displayed on the smart device. If you don't see a charging screen, try disconnecting the charger and trying again. For users that have had their watch for a longer period of time, if you find that your smartwatch isn't charging, you should clean off any visible dirt, debris, or buildup on the back. Use a soft, dry cloth to gently remove any dirt or buildup. You can also use a soft, bristle brush to scrub away any harder-to-remove debris. You should check the contacts on the back of your smartwatch to make sure they are not bent or damaged. If you begin charging your smartwatch and don't see any charging screen animation appear on the display, your smartwatch might have a depleted battery. In these circumstances, it may not show anything on the watch screen, even while connected to the charger. Don't worry though. If you leave the smartwatch on the charger for a few minutes, ensuring that the pins are lined up correctly, you should see it start to power on. We hope you found this video helpful. Leave your comments below and be sure to like and subscribe. See you next time!